everyone, welcome to CSAT Quantitative Aptitude episode 9. So we are solving the topic wise previous year questions daily. So if you have seen it for the first time, watch the previous episodes also, so that you will get benefit out of it. If you are writing the prelims this year, this will be a great revision for you. So if you do a last minute revision, it will help you to memorize some concepts and apply it in the exam hall, so that you will easily get qualified in the CSAT paper. So let's start the video. So in the last class we have started the simplification topic. We have solved the 7 questions which are asked in the previous years from the simplification. Now let's solve from the 8th question. A vessel full of water weighs 40 kgs. If it is 1/3 filled, its weight becomes 20 kgs. What is the weight of the empty vessel? So they are saying that vessel is, let's take the weight of the vessel as x kgs and weight of the water as y kgs. Okay, they are saying the vessel full of water. So the vessel and the water weighs x plus y, that is 40. If it is filled 1/3, its weight becomes 20 kgs. So if the water becomes 1/3, the weight becomes, the total weight combined becomes 20. So they are asking the weight of the empty vessel. So empty vessel weight is nothing but we have taken it as x. So we have to find the value of x. So if you solve the question, this will become, it will become 3x plus y equal to 60. If you solve these two equations, if you subtract these two equations, it becomes x minus 3x minus x, that is 2x, plus y minus y 0 is equal to 60 minus 40, 20. So x value become 20 by 2, that is 10. So 10 is the weight of the empty vessel. So 10 is the answer for the question number 8. That is option A is correct for this question. Question number 9. A frog tries come out of a dried well 4.5 meters deep with slippery walls. Every time the frog jumps 30 centimeters, slide downs 15 centimeters. What is the number of jumps required for the frog to come out of the well? So this is a very good question. You require some common sense to solve the questions, because there is some little logic. People will miss this logic and they'll attempt with the wrong option. So let's see what is the logic in this question. So they are saying there is a well, okay, dried well. So let's think this is a dried well, and they are saying a frog tries to come out of the dry well, that is 4.5 meters. 4.5 meters is nothing but it is 450 centimeters. This dried well length is 450 centimeters. So they are saying for one jump, that is it travels 30 centimeters and slips by 15 centimeters. So for one jump it is traveling 30 minus 15, that is 15 centimeters only. For one jump it is traveling only 15 centimeters. But when it is jumping the last 30 centimeters, it is coming out of the vessel. So it has no chance for slipping again. So in the last jump, there is no matter called slipping. So if you deduct last 30 centimeters from the total height, it will become only 420. Okay, 450 minus 30, that is 420. So it has to travel 420. How many jumps are there in this? 420 is the original question. So for every jump it travels 15 meters and total length is 420. So let's solve the question. So total number of jumps till 420 is 420 by 15. If you solve this, it will come as 420 by 15 is nothing but 28 jumps. Till here, till 420 centimeters, it is jumping 28, and it is all the last jump is directly coming out. So 28 plus 1, that is 29 is the total number of jumps for the frog to come out of the dried well. Okay, 29 is the answer for the question number 9. Question number 10. A bookseller sold a number of geography textbooks at the rate of rupees X per book. A plus 2 number of history textbooks at the rate of rupees x plus 2 per book. A minus 2 number of mathematics textbooks at the rate of rupees x minus 2 per book. What is the total sale in rupees? So, if you are going to a shop, if you are buying a chocolate, okay, chocolate, if the chocolate price is 2 rupees and if you want to buy 4 chocolates, the total cost will become 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, you are multiplying the two numbers in order to get the total cost. In the same way, if you do this question, it will become a bookseller sold a number of geography textbooks. So a into how much is it cost, x rupees. This is geography. So plus a plus 2 history books at the rate of x plus 2 per book, and a minus 2 mathematics books at the rate of x minus 2. So what is the total, sir? That is the reason I have added all the three. So we have to find the simplified form of this equation. So it becomes ax plus 2a plus 2x plus 4 plus ax minus 2x minus 2a plus 4. So if you solve the question, if you solve the equation, it becomes ax plus ax plus ax, that is 3ax. Okay, 3 times ax is there. 2a gets cancelled, 2x gets cancelled, and 4 plus 4, 8. So total cost of the three books, like three types of books, is 3ax plus 8. So option B is correct for question number 10. Question number 11. A lift has a capacity of 18 adults or 30 children. How many children can board? Can the lift take with 12 adults? So there are already 12 adults are there in the lifts, and then how many children can more fit in the lift is the question. So they have given the data as 18 adults is equal to 30 children. So for one adult it means 30 by 18 children. For one adult it will become as 30 by 18 children. Okay, this is the first equation. So they have given that there are 12 adults. So lift has a capacity of 18 adults, but they are saying there are only 12 adults per now. So more how many adults can fit in the lift? 6 adults can fit in the lift apart from the 12 adults. There are already 12 adults in the lift, so there can be 6 adults who can fit more in the lift. So 6 adults is nothing but how many children is the question. So for one adult 30 by 18 children. So for 6 adults 6 into 30 by 18. If you solve this question, 6 3 is 18, 3 10s. So more 10 children can fit in the lift. So 11th question is B. This is a very easy question. You can solve it in few seconds. Question number 12. In a class there are 18 very tall boys. If these constitute the 3/4 of the boys and the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class, what is the number of girls in the class? So they have given there are 18 tall boys. Okay, these 18 tall boys are constituting 3/4 of the total number of boys. So let's take the total value of boys is B. So from this equation, if you solve, B will come as 3 6 18, 6 4 is 24. So there are 24 boys in total. Okay, and they have given the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students. So total number of boys is 24. These people are 2/3 of the total number of students. Let's take the total number of students as is. If you find the value of S, 2 12s, 12 3s are 36. So total number of students are 36. So total number of students is nothing but girls plus boys, right? If you substitute the values, total number of students is 36. Number of girls we have to find. Number of boys we have got as 24. So G is nothing but 36 minus 24, that is 12. So there are total of 12 numbers in the classroom. 12 girls in the classroom. So 12 is the correct answer for question number 12. 13th question. A person is standing on the first step from the bottom of the ladder. If he has to climb 4 more steps to reach exactly the middle step, how many steps does the ladder have? For example, if this is a ladder, okay, he is in the first step. If the person is in the first step, they are saying he have to travel 4 more steps in order to reach the middle steps. So if he is traveling 1, 2, 3, 4, he is in the middle. So this is the middle step. If this is the middle step, there are 4 steps in the down of middle step. So there should be 4 steps in the up of the middle. So if you count total, 4 steps in the bottom, 4 steps in the top, that is 8, and the middle step, that is 9. So total of 9 steps are there in a ladder. So for the 13th question, B is the option. Free notebooks, this is the last question for the day. Free notebooks are distributed equally among children of a class. The number of notebooks each child got was 1/8 of the number of the children. Had the number of children been half, each child would have got 60 notebooks. Total, how many notebooks were distributed? So, if you solve this question, let's take total number of children as x. Okay, total number of children as x. They have given number of books distributed are 1/8. So, total books distributed are x into 1/8. For each children. So total number of books is x into 1/8. So if the total becomes half, each student gets 16 books. So total number of books remains same. That's why I have equated the equations. So if you solve the equation, x get cancels and 2 4 16 4 64. X becomes 64. Okay. If x is 64, total number of books distributed are nothing but x into 1/8. So if you substitute x value in it, 64 into 1/8. 64 eighths is nothing but 512. So 512 is the answer for the question number last one. Okay, last question. So this is the 7th question of the day. So for the 7th question of the day, 512 is the answer. So option C is correct for this question. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you enjoyed solving the CSAT questions, that is quantitative aptitude. So if you want more, just click the like button, give the comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any update. So take care guys. I'll meet you with the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.